On this trip, we are on a mission to build the best seafood bowl, explore massive glowing giants, and find the coziest comfort food. If you're planning a trip to northern Japan, here's what you need to know. Let's go! Shin Aomori Station is a little over 3 hours away from Tokyo Station by Shinkansen. It took us a little over 4 hours to get here with a transfer from Hotel Nikko Narita.
Well, we're here in Aomori, so we finally made it. Now we're going to be looking for a taxi to get to our hotel.
After a half-day journey, we checked into Daiwa Roynet Hotel Aomori. It will be home for the next 5 days. Conveniently located just 10 minutes by taxi from Shin Aomori Station, one of the reasons for choosing this accommodation is because the attractions are all within a 10-minute walk. Our plan for the next day was simple: see the most unique culture and eat Aomori's iconic food. We just had our first breakfast in Aomori and all ready to head to our first destination. Aomori is known as the city of apples, producing 60% of Japan's supply. Along the way, I noticed some kind of fruit growing along the street. Upon closer inspection, they were one of the many varieties of apples found here. We purchased a bunch throughout the day, everything from one that fits in the palm of your hand to the size of a soda can. The rust-red shipping container-like building draws my curiosity. What's inside? The Nebuta festival in Aomori is held annually between August 2nd and the 7th. It is believed to have originated in China as a fire festival where people made lanterns using candles, paper, and bamboo. If you cannot visit in August, this is the perfect opportunity to participate. Imagine standing on the street on a warm summer night, the air thick with the smell of wood and wet paper. You can slightly feel the vibrations beneath your feet, a promise of the massive energy about to erupt. The stars of the festival are the Nebuta float, not small carts, but colossal rolling sculptures. Imagine a 2-story building constructed of stiff paper, molded into 3-dimensional figures like right out of a comic book. You can feel the sheer size of these giant figures as they rumble past. The light from within is like a radiant pressure emanating from the structure, making the giant figures glow from their core. The festival is an overwhelming, coordinated chaos of sound and motion. The high-pitched flutes of the Hayashi music weaves a bright, looping, hypnotic melody that soars above the crowd. The foundation of the taiko drums not just heard, but reverberating through your chest, dictating the rhythm of the parade, a powerful primal beat. And then the voices. Tens of thousands of bouncing dancers called Haneto are chanting Rasse, 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 Rasse. Their voices full of unrestrained, joyous energy. Listen to their footfalls of constant pounding, shuffle as they jump and dance in the front of the floats. The sound and vibration peak as a massive Nebuta float pauses directly in front of you. The taiko drums sound like thunder. The chanting is deafening, and you feel the ground shaking. It is a moment of total exhilarating sensory immersion. The entire city of Aomori comes alive to shout, drum, and celebrate. It's the overwhelming feeling of shared joy and power. Aomori is famous for its apples. Conveniently located right next to the Nebuta Museum is A Factory. What better place to shop for apple souvenirs and enjoy some apple cider than here? Our first Aomori apple pie was from Skip Egg inside A Factory. But watch to the end of this video.
Is it a
Strolling along the waterfront, I was wondering if these anime nurses posted throughout the city were advertisements. I guess every city in Japan has these cute anime characters. About a 10-minute walk from A Factory, this eye-catching A-frame building appears. Inside, you can continue your shopping and see the views from the observation deck. Also be sure to try the original apple pies from Sweets Factory, Pom Pom. But keep watching till the end. Uto Shrine, known as the birthplace of Aomori City, was founded 1200 years ago when the area was called Uto Village. The grounds feature a pond that was once a large lake, and the spring behind the worship hall is said to have been blessed by a dragon god, which has been worshipped by seafarers and merchants. Today, people pray for peace and prosperity in the household. Even for those non-religious, the silence of the air, broken by calls of the ducks, creates a tranquil retreat. So while we could cover these amazing spots in Aomori City in a single day, we chose to make Daiwa Roynet Hotel our base for 5 nights. From here, we'll be taking day trips to explore the incredible sights outside the city, from the iconic Hirosaki Castle to Hakodate in Hokkaido. Please join us in the next video as we journey outside Aomori City. I'll conclude this video with the 3 places and food I recommend. Try Nokkedon, which literally translates to rice bowl with toppings. Here at Aomori Gyosai Center, you can create your dream seafood bowl by purchasing tickets and redeeming those tickets at various stalls to add whatever your heart desires.
はい、ネギトロいきましょう。真ん中でよろしいですか。はい、ネギトロいっちゃいますね。はい、ネギトロいきました。はい。
おとろお願いします。
おとろで、はい、ありがとうございます。これがおとろです。はい、どうぞ。
これhow muchですか？
ハマチです。
お願いします。
オッケー。はい、ありがとうございます。あ、もう出ない。1枚までにもう上がるよ。はい、どうぞ。
ありがとうございます。
OK ですか？これで3枚だよ。
はい。
言ってもらうの。はい、どうもありがとうございます。はい、どうもありがとうございます。はい、どうぞ。
After creating your dish, you can enjoy it in the dining area with wasabi and shoyu.
is the hamachi. The awabi.
Next on the list is the very popular Osanai Shokuro, where I ate one of Aomori's traditional dishes. Another specialty of Aomori is kayaki miso. It's scallops mixed with egg and miso and grilled in a large scallop shell. At Cleopatra, enjoy the flaky apple pie and atmosphere while giving your feet a break. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.